This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, December 6th. Cruise maintenance issues continue. On the heels of a string of cancellations over the past couple of months, Princess Cruises has adjusted future itineraries for 4 upcoming voyages on Regal Princess, allowing time for much-needed engine maintenance. The Galveston-based ship will replace Costa Maya with extended stays in Roatan on its December 8th, January 5th, and 12th departures. And then on January 19th, Roatan will replace Montego Bay. The adjustments follow earlier power generator repairs that took the ship out of service for 3 weeks. Passengers will receive a 20% future cruise credit or can opt out for a full refund. The line said it would keep the casino open while it was docked overnight. And Royal Caribbean has banned the use of portable travel routers like Starlink Mini dishes on its ships, adding them to the prohibited items list effective immediately. This policy follows a similar ban by Carnival Cruise Line earlier this year. The move is said to address cybersecurity concerns and prevent passengers from bypassing the ship's internet or them losing money. Now, security checks are being enforced, with some devices already being confiscated at embark. Passengers who wish to stay connected can purchase Royal Caribbean's high-speed Voom internet, which is promoted as the fastest internet at sea. And 2 Jacksonville, Florida residents are warning others after falling victim to a Royal Caribbean cruise scam. Naisha Lambert and Rochelle Price say that they, along with 7 others, each paid over $500 to a woman posing as a travel agent who advertised a 3-day cruise on Facebook. Payments were made via Cash App to the woman, and they did receive reservation numbers and confirmation emails for Utopia of the Seas. However, when the group arrived to board their shuttle to Port Canaveral, they were denied entry and sent home. Royal Caribbean later confirmed that these bookings were never finalized. It's currently under investigation. The woman's message to others: verify travel agencies and always avoid social media deals. Good lesson there. And it was the inaugural lighting of the Christmas tree aboard Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. For reference, the ship was launched earlier this year and is spending its first holiday season in service. Led by the cruise director and thousands in attendance, the tree was illuminated and the holiday festivities officially kicked off. Looks like fun. Thank you for sending this one in, Ryan. And the photo of the week comes from JD, Carnival Jubilee in Roatan. Beautiful day here. You can send yours in. Photos at cruiseradio.net. All are subject to broadcast. And cruise stocks were mixed on Thursday. Carnival Corporation down slightly, 26.45. Royal Caribbean up a half, 251.07. Norwegian down slightly, 27.62. And Viking down a half, 46.09. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great weekend. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.